So at the entrance area, there's this LED strip. Okay, hi guys, today I'm going to show you the light installation. Okay, all the lights have already been installed, so you can actually have a feel of how the apartment look like after all the lights have been installed. Okay, so let's start from the entrance area. So at the entrance area, there's this LED strip that is being built into the carpentry works and also on the fourth ceiling. Okay, and then followed by this two mini downlight, which is for display purpose. Okay, there's going to be a glass panel here. Okay, so this is very small. And let's go to the other side. Okay, there's the two more downlight here. So this is centralized with the TV. So this is like a corner display lighting. Okay, and for the main cove lighting, the switch is over here. Okay, so you can see that it illuminates the entire living area. Okay, and at the kitchen, quite straightforward. Right, there's like a tube lighting there on the ceiling. Of course, there's going to be light below the kitchen cabinet as well. And over here will be the dining. The dining light hasn't been installed yet. Okay, so at the dining, the switches are here behind. Okay, it's gonna be cove lighting running across. Okay, and at the bottom as well, there's two lights. The downlight still hasn't installed because we need to rectify the area there. Okay, so at the passageway, there's one switch that turns on the three downlights. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and this is the study. So for study, there's one light here on the ceiling and change color. And of course, there's this light here for the display and the printer. Okay, at the common bathroom, it's gonna be light on the ceiling. That's mainly for the shower. Okay, two downlights, 1, 2, shine to the WC area. This is more for the vanity, direct lighting. Okay, if I off that and I on this, below the mirror there's light and it continues towards the display niche. Okay, so you want to turn on everything, you can. Okay, to have a better mood, just turn on like that. Okay, at the master, there's one downlight at the entrance there. So a simple spot lighting. Okay, there's a track light over here. Okay, gotta change the color of the light to warm. And the headboard light as well. The switches are here. So one for the headboard light, one for the side table light. So this design is quite interesting. Okay, like that. Can close it up. Okay, so there's a entire stretch of the headboard lighting. So when you go into the master bathroom, same thing. There's a ceiling light. Okay, there's the downlight. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one will illuminate the shower area and also vanity mirror light and the display niche light. Okay, it's one switch. Okay, it's one switch. Okay, so you have a good idea how this entire apartment is lit up. Okay, you don't need too many lighting sometimes, but just enough to bright up areas. Okay, I think the mood is important. You don't need to install too many downlights. Right, so I see you next in my next video coming soon. Continue to watch all my other videos.